Hi dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the image formation by concave mirror. What is the nature of the image formed by the concave mirror when the object is at different positions? Let's discuss. To understand the topic, watch the video till end. Okay, when the object is beyond C, case 2 or situation 2, when the object is beyond C, beyond center of curvature, object is beyond center of curvature, then where we will get the image? Let's see here. So as usual, it is a concave mirror and this is the principal axis. Now here it is the object and that is where beyond C, clear. Now what do you have to say? The ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it is passing through the focus, clear. And next one is the ray that should be strikes oblique at the pole, then with the same angle that is going to be reflect, clear. Where these two rays are reflected or intersect, there they will get the image. So this is the focus, clear, and this is center of curvature. So this is what object and this is the image, clear children. So it is the pole. Observe here, this light ray is coming from the object and it is parallel to the principal axis. After the reflection, that should be passing through the focus. And the second ray is we are taken, this ray can be strikes oblique at the pole with certain angle. With the same angle that is going to be reflect, these two reflected rays are intersect at this point, there we are getting the image. So now the nature of the image is what it is? Real image. The first thing is what? Real image, because it is able to capture on the screen. And second one is it is the dimensioned. What is dimensioned image? Dimensioned image. Why? Because the size of the image is less than the size of the object. Simply here, size of image is less than the size of the object. Then what you have to say? The image is the dimensioned image. And third one is it is inverted image. So what it is? Inverted image. Clear children? In case of a concave mirror, when the object is beyond C, then the concave mirror can form the image in between F and C, and that should be dimensioned image, inverted and real image. Here image formation by concave mirror, in that first one, case 1, when the object is at infinity, when the object is at infinity, what is the nature of the image when the object is at infinity? For that we have to draw the ray diagram. So this is the concave mirror and it is principal axis, and when the object is at infinity, the light rays which are coming from the object, there seems to be parallel beam of light, and we are showing like this. So these are the light rays coming from the object. These rays are reflected and they can be meet at one point S. This is the point here S. Here simply we are showing this is the now focus. The rays which are parallel to the principal axis, after that they should be meet at one point. That point is what we call here focus. So all these are the reflected rays. These reflected rays are meet at one point on the principal axis, that is what? Focus. That's why here what you have to say, this is the pole and this is the focus, and this point is some here center of curvature. That's why when the object is at infinity, image can be formed. Image can be formed. Where the image can be formed? At focus. At focus. And the nature of the image is real image. Real image. And that should be here like a point image. Point image. Real image, and that should be point image. What is mean by real image? The image that can be captured on a screen, that should be called as the real image. That means if we can keep the screen at this point of focus, we will find out the image. The nature of image what? It's a point image, and that should be real image. Clear, children? What you understand? When the object is at infinity, the light rays which are coming from the object, they are seems to be like parallel beam of light. This parallel beam of light is incident on the concave mirror. After reflection, they should be meet at one point on the principal axis. That point is what? Focus. That's why what you have to say, the image can be formed at focus, and that should be point image and real image. Let's see third one. When the object is in between F and C. Case 3, what it is? When the object is in between F and C. F and C. This is the situation. For this situation, we have to draw the ray diagram. So as usual, this is the concave mirror, and that should be here principal axis. And now here this is the object. So this is the pole, and this is the focus, and this is now here center of curvature. Where is the object? In between F and C. So we have to draw the ray diagram like this. From the object, the ray is moving like this. It is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. Clear? Next one. The ray is passing through the focus. After reflection, S. That should be here. Simply I am showing here. This is the C here. We are getting the image now here like this. Where the two reflected rays are meet, there we will get the image. Clear? This is the second ray. It is passing through the focus. After reflection, it is comes like this. How it is? It is parallel to the principal axis. So this is the first one. What it is? Ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. And second ray is passing through the focus, and after reflection, it is parallel to the principal axis. Now where we are getting the image? We are getting the image beyond C. Where we are getting the image? Here, beyond C. And when the object is in between F and C, we will get the image beyond C. And how the image? It is, first thing is inverted image. How it is? Inverted. The object should be arrow mark is upward here, and now it is downward. That's why it is inverted. And the second thing is, it is the enlarged image. What it is? Enlarged image. Why? Because size of the image is greater than the size of the object. That's why what you have to say? Image is enlarged. And third one is, it is the real image. Because we are able to capture on the screen. The image can be captured on the screen. That's why it is the real image. So got it, children? When the object is between the F and C, then the image can be formed beyond the C. And the nature of image is what? Real, inverted, and enlarged image. Clear? See the next one. when the object is at center of curvature, this is the another case when the object is at center of curvature. So very simple, again we have to follow the same rules. This is the concave mirror and this principal axis, this is the object, clear, and this ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, that should be passes through the focus. And next, this is the another ray that should be passing through the focus. After reflection, as that should be like this here. So this is the image now here. Simply I am drawing like this and take this as the object now here, then it will be perfect. Very simple. So this is the ray parallel to the principal axis and this is the ray passing through the focus. After reflection, it is parallel to the principal axis. So this is the object and this is the image. This ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. This is the focus point. And second ray is passing through the focus, and after reflection it is parallel to the principal axis. Here these 2 points are meet here. So now this is the image. So here this is the center of curvature. Look here now, when the object is at center of curvature, then the image also formed at the center of curvature. Image also formed at center of curvature. What is the nature of image? As usual, it is inverted, and second one is it is the real image, and what it is, size of the image is same as the object. Size of the image must be equal to the size of the object. So that is what I have to write. Size of the image is equal to the size of the object. This is the another diagram. Another situation, when the object is at focus, when the object is at focus, where you will get the image? By the concave mirror. Let's see. So this is the concave mirror and this is as well principal axis, clear. So now this is the object, where it is focus, at the focus, and this is the pole. So this is the light ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, that should be passed to the focus. Next, this is the another light ray that should be touches the pole with certain angle. With the same angle, the ray is going to be reflect. So here these reflected rays are never meet each other because the image can be formed at the center of, the image can be formed at the infinity. That's why we have to show the reflected rays are separate, clear. So this is about the when the object is at focus, image can be formed at infinity. So very simple. This is the object where it is at focus. This is the ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection is passed through focus. That should be passes through the base of the object. And this is the another ray that is can strikes at the pole with some angle, with the same angle that is going to be reflect. Now these two rays are reflected each other and they are parallel each other. That's why the image can be formed at infinity. Clear? Let's see another situation. So this is a very important and special case. Virtual image can be formed by the concave mirror. When it is possible? When the object is in between focus and pole of the mirror. So this is the special case of concave mirror. When the object is in between the focus and pole of the mirror, we will get the virtual image. Let's see here. So as usual, this is the concave mirror and this is the principal axis. So here it is the object. Clear? So as usual, this is the focus and this is the pole. Now the object is here like this. Okay, then the image, the ray is going to be more like this. And next, this is the ray that should be incident like this. Clear? And if you can take the incident ray, so this is the concave mirror and this should be here principal axis and this is the object. Clear? And now we are showing here, this is the center of curvature. So we are showing, this is the light ray is coming like this. This is the incident ray and again that is going to be reflect, and this is the another ray that should be touched at the pole with certain angle, with the same angle that is going to be reflect. So got it, children? So this is center of curvature and this is the focus and it is the pole. Clear? The ray is coming from the object like it is coming from the center of curvature, again that is reflect also, same thing here. And this is the ray that should be strikes at the pole with certain angle, with the same angle that is going to be reflect. Clear? So now we have to extend these reflected rays. These reflected rays we have to extend. So we are extending like this. Yes, they can meet at this point and they can form the virtual image. So now this is the image. Clear? Here we are simply extending the reflected ray and this is also extended and they should be meet at one point, then that can be forms the image. So here this is the object and this is the image. What is the image nature? This is the virtual image. Why? Because that image can be formed due to the extension of reflected rays. And what is meant by virtual image? We are unable to capture on the screen, but we are able to see. So this is the now virtual image and there should be enlarged image. Size of the image is more than the size of the object. And next thing here, it is the erect. So how is the object? In the same manner we are getting the image, but it is enlarged image. So that is should be what we call here erect. The nature of image what it is? Virtual, enlarged and erected image.